Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to update all the apps on your Android phone quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store. You can find it on your home screen, or swipe up to open your app drawer and search for Play Store. Once you're in the Play Store, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. Next, tap Manage Apps and Device. Here, you'll see if any app updates are available. For example, if you have several pending updates, tap Updates Available to view the full list. You can update apps one at a time by tapping Update next to each app, or you can save time by tapping Update All to install every available update at once. Your phone will begin downloading and installing the latest versions of your apps. Depending on how many updates you have and your internet speed, this process may take a few minutes. Keeping your apps updated is important because updates often include bug fixes, security improvements, and new features. If an app isn't working properly, updating it is one of the first things you should try. And that's it. That's how you update all the apps on your Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future Android tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.